Christmas home tour of 2020. We just got back home from church and it started snowing, and it very rarely actually snows here, and it is like the perfect snow. Oh my goodness. So I also thought it would be the perfect time to invite you guys in to check out my house for my Christmas home tour of 2020. Now, if you guys are new, welcome. I'm Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and I love to share with you guys how you can make your homes boutique gorgeous on a teeny tiny budget with a ton of Dollar Tree DIYs. So grab a cup of hot cocoa, coffee, or whatever you love to drink, kick back, and let's get all those cozy Christmas vibes. I'm definitely gonna need some hot cocoa, and you guys are gonna see Benji, my puppy dog, and I'm trying to show you guys it actually may even kind of stick a little bit. So I volunteer at our church kids camp kind of area where we greet and say good morning to all the kiddos. So that's why I'm dressed up in my Santa outfit. But anyway, you guys, let's go ahead and check out my Christmas home tour. So starting out, I want to welcome you all into my cozy Christmas living room. We recently updated our flooring. We took out the carpets and added these pretty new floors, and Mr. Romantic and I also painted the walls. A lot of you all ask me about the wall color, and it is called Repose Gray by Sherwin-Williams. And then we traded a friend of ours. We had brown leather couches in here, and I traded them out for these cream leather couches that I really feel like go a lot better with my decor. So just those little small updates have really transformed this space. And then for the theme of my Christmas this year, I wanted to feel really fun and whimsical. So I went with this Candyland Christmas theme with all of these beautiful red and white striped ribbons and packages. And a lot of these are Dollar Tree DIYs. So if you guys check out the rest of my I Love Christmas series, you guys can see kind of how I put all of this together, including my large living room Christmas tree with this beautiful tree topper that I shared with you guys. It is an amazing bow that everybody can do, truly. And then I shared with you guys these cute little DIY photo ornaments that are from Dollar Tree. You guys know I love my Dollar Tree. And these make a great little gift for grandparents or parents, and they're easy to do with kiddos. I actually did a DIY on these for you guys with my son's girlfriend Skylar, and she's just a huge blessing to us. So then you can see from our living room straight into our dining room, our home is very modest, but I think it creates kind of a grand, spot to have the Christmas tree here, and then just kind of the more simple view of our dining room table. And then I want you all to meet Benji Bear, my puppy dog, if you guys don't know him yet. We have a puppy dog and a kitty cat, Tinky the cat, and they're kind of our little resident pets that are trotting around in here, although Benji kind of takes over the scene. And so here's an overview. There's my Christmas entryway. I did two fairly plain trees. And then a lot of you all have asked about the screensaver on my TV, and that's actually just a YouTube video that plays this really relaxing Christmas music. So you guys definitely want to check that out. You just go into your YouTube search bar and you look for Christmas music, and you'll find this beautiful framed Christmas YouTube video, and it's so relaxing. It's how I start out my day by playing jazz music or something like that. Now, this is the first year I did a different theme in my dining room, and for my dining room I wanted to have a little bit of a winter wonderland kind of glam look. And you all may notice that my dining room table has nothing on it, and I'll explain to you guys why. That's because Tinky the cat is having to kind of separate herself from Benji Bear, our puppy dog. He's a little bit rowdy, and so that's why we have that going on. So now moving into my Christmas kitchen. This is kind of the heart of our home, and again, it is rather small, but I went with a gingerbread fun kind of Mackenzie child inspired theme. And if you guys are on my Instagram story, this is where I kind of give you guys my daily inspiration with my prayer cards. I do a prayer card for you guys every morning. The prayer cards are from Dollar Tree, and then I share a couple cup of coffee with you. This little gingerbread street is from Hobby Lobby, and then I created this over the top garland, and I did share a DIY video for you guys also on this cute little gingerbread picture, as well as on how I put together that garland. I love to do a ton of over the top bows and garlands, and so I hope you guys are loving that. And a lot of you all have really shared with me that you've been so inspired to create your own bows and garlands and wreaths. So I'm loving that, and I'm also loving seeing everybody's post over on my Livy's Romantic Home Facebook group page. Now moving into my little powder room or bathroom, and it is a little bit of a rather small space, but I did paint it and transform it. I painted it white, and let me tell you guys, I had white paint from everywhere. I even painted my shoe to my foot, and Mr. Romantic updated the counters for me, and so it really made a big difference just by changing the paint and updating it that way. And I love my Christmas cookie spray from Bath and Body Works. And then here's a little DIY I shared with you guys using Dollar Tree supplies, and of course going over the top with some glam. Now I'm just going to give you guys a peek of my bedroom because I'm really still working in here. I wasn't even for sure that I was ready to share it with you guys because I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm still waiting for my actual bed to come in. I just have the bed frame. So anyway, long story short, but I did put up some new curtains, and I wanted to show that to you guys, as well as that pretty wreath I shared with you guys in a DIY video. And of course, Benji Bear just has to be a part of this show. Now, if you guys have been along with me, you'll know where this space is. This is my Christmas crafting studio, and I went really over the top and big for all of the Christmas decor in here to really give you guys those cozy vibes and all of that. And this will be being transformed after Christmas into a Valentine's Day studio and some winter wonderland as well. But for now, we'll look around and remember all of the fun, cozy Christmas crafts that we created together, starting with that little snowman. I also shared with you guys this Dollar Tree tree topper and really how to create a beautiful tree on a budget. Everything on this tree pretty much is from Dollar Tree or Walmart. So I always want to share with you guys how to create high-end designs and make them look fabulous, and you don't have to break the bank. I even had a neighbor stop by who does Christmas tree decorating for a living, and she spends hundreds of thousands of dollars, and she saw my studio tree and she was truly impressed and really taken aback and said, you know, I really need to go to Dollar Tree and re-examine what they have going on there. And I said, you really need to. So if you guys put something together with a little bit of style and grace, you'd never know it came from Dollar Tree. And just adding in a couple of things that are a little bit more high-end really do give you that high-end look on a budget. And so as you guys look around too, there's this faux mantle that Mr. Romantic created, and it really gives me something to decorate and share with you guys just more ideas on how to create a lovely space. And then this little tree over here, you guys ask me about that all the time. It's actually made out of coconuts, is what we can gather. My mother-in-law picked it up from the thrift store, and we have no idea where she got it. We have no idea who made it. Everybody asks me about it, and that's all the information I have for you guys. So I apologize for that. But this is my Christmas crafting studio, and it is a true blessing and honor to have you all here and just have you guys crafting along with me. Now moving outside, I did share with you all a DIY mailbox floral, and I do a new floral for every season, and this was our Christmas mailbox floral. And then I do also redecorate my little front yard bike to share with you guys, just to give you guys some ideas. And all of these presents I made using duct tape. I thought it was so genius and weather resistant, and hey, a great way to repurpose and reuse those Amazon boxes. I know I have a ton of them around. And you guys, I was over the moon excited to have some snow, especially for this video. I feel like it just came at the perfect time. And here is also my little front door Christmas garland. That's another thing I decorate every season. I just try to decorate my home from head to toe to give you guys so many ideas, and I truly love it, you guys. I would do this even if I wasn't doing these videos, so I hope it makes your heart smile and brings you all those cozy Christmas vibes, and I love y'all so much. So thank you all so much for joining me in my little cozy Christmas home. I hope you guys are having fun. Now listen, I have an I Love Christmas series going on. You guys can check out the I Love Christmas series. I'm gonna leave a playlist for you guys down below, and I just have to take you guys outside in this snow. I love the snow. My family thinks I'm crazy, but I woke up at like 6 o'clock this morning with my cup of coffee, sitting, looking out this window that you guys see right here, just waiting for the snow. So you guys can imagine my complete and total delight when it actually snowed and for my Christmas home tours. So you guys, I love y'all to the moon and back. If you all are new, welcome. I'm Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and I just love to share with you guys a ton of crafting and decorating and my little house and family. So I would love to have you guys subscribe and be part of this YouTube family. And I also have Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook page. We have a free little group page you guys can join and post photos of your home decor and DIY projects over there. Check out this snow. Oh my goodness. So you guys join me on all of my fun adventures. So I have a ton more DIY videos coming up for you guys. I cannot wait for more fun crafting and decorating. And until the next video, we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.